Hello, my friends. As you can clearly see, the applications on my phone are currently very disorganized. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will learn exactly how to effectively organize these apps, carefully move them into their own distinct folders, and then precisely place them in their specifically designated locations. For example, in this demonstration, we will carefully move this particular app from its current location to this new designated area. And then for better organization and accessibility, we will proceed to put both of these selected apps together into a single newly created folder, as you can clearly and distinctly observe. Now, as you can clearly see, we will proceed to apply this straightforward process to the widely used WhatsApp app. All you simply have to do is gently press and hold the app icon until it visibly appears like this, as you can observe. Then carefully move it to its designated place. You can also easily move this app or indeed several other applications to another screen, as you can plainly see. I genuinely believe that this entire process and this method are very easy to understand and implement. If you've truly made it this far, my dear friend, please do not forget to kindly subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell for all upcoming notifications, as the subsequent episodes are going to be incredibly exciting and truly engaging. And don't forget to check out this playlist. Goodbye, my friends.